Hello, welcome back and happy 2023. Welcome to the new year. I just wanted to kick off this brand new video and do a painting session and a paint with me just to show this DIY of me painting this beautiful vintage purse that I found online on Goodwill finds. They are partnering with me on today's video, and for those who actually didn't know, Goodwill actually has an online website called Goodwill Finds, and they have over 100,000 items to choose from. It is so amazing because you're pretty much like shopping in the comfort of your own home. And the great thing about it is, like, when I found this purse, even the product details in the description was so like accurate. It was really nice because I had a peace of mind, like I didn't have to like worry about. I just want to start off with this painting and show you the materials. I used acrylic paint, fine paint brushes, a palette, and this is the most important thing, a painting medium for fabrics in specific. It's about 1 part paint and 2 parts painting medium, the textile medium. So you kind of need to do that. I sort of just kind of eyeballed it, to be honest. And so for me, like, the whole idea of this painting, I was really firstly inspired by this wonderful artist that I follow. I've been following her for years on Instagram. Her name is Rachel Cunningham. Her work is amazing, very whimsical, ethereal, and just so beautiful. She's an artist based in Paris, and I just really liked how she paints like her clothing, her shoes, and I was just really inspired by that. So I kind of wanted to do something of my own. For me, I didn't really have such a not too much of a crazy idea in mind. I knew I wanted to paint a lot of like flowers and like plants. That's something that I just naturally like gravitated towards, especially when I saw this bag. I just thought it was so beautiful. I love the color of it, and I feel like all of these green tones, red tones of like the flowers is just gonna pop up really well on this. And so that's what I'm doing here. And I'm also like really surprised too that I found a really great quality handbag on Goodwill Finds. And honestly, I'm really just grateful and excited to be working with Goodwill Finds because I not only shop at Goodwill, but I just really love what they do. With every purchase that you do make on Goodwill Finds, it does directly go to support their community-based programs. So everything from online learning, job training, and youth mentorship. You're not only just shopping sustainably and shopping with style, but you're also like shopping with helping others in mind. And I think that's a big key thing I would like to take maybe this new year, of showing more gratitude and also giving back to the community in any way that you can. I will be showing you later, but I do have a haul of some of the other things that I did pick up. So they not only have handbags, but of course they have everything there. Honestly, I even have crystals and rocks that I will show you later in a different video. I ended up also just wanting to paint the back of the purse just because I just thought it was a little plain and I kind of wanted to add some little cute flower. This ended up becoming a lotus flower because as I was painting, I'm like, ooh, let me just change it up a little bit. And that's the thing when I paint, I just sort of go with the flow, and it's okay to change directions. Painting is supposed to be an enjoyable process, not something where you have to overthink it, you know? That's how it started off on day 1. As everything dried up, I felt like it was missing some things. So I went to go back and I went to go paint some more details to it, adding some leaves to the vines, and also just adding some more like shadow work a little bit. And of course, like, I think details are very important when you are painting. It just kind of shows a little bit more depth and it doesn't look as like flat. And then I went back to the lotus flower from yesterday, and I also wanted to change up the color a little bit. Lotus flowers are predominantly like have a light pink hue, but I wanted to work with a little bit of a light purple color and just like outline it a little bit. And then I just added kind of doing like these little swirls. I just felt like it was missing something, you know? It needed some other things to just make it more flowy. And so I just did that, and I was just having fun. I was doing my thing, and that's basically how it turned out. I'm actually really happy with it. So that is everything. That's how it turned out, and I hope you guys had wonderful holidays and a new year, and I hope you're able to set some amazing new intentions for this new year and just have a great fresh start, you know? Okay, well, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.